Today, we're learning a simple Excel trick that will save you tons of scrolling. How to use freeze panes. When you're working with large spreadsheets, your headers disappear as you scroll down or across. With freeze panes, you can lock rows and columns in place so they always stay visible. To freeze just the top row, go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click Freeze Panes, then choose Freeze Top Row. Now scroll down. The top row stays right where it is. Remember, you can only freeze one row or column in entire sheet at one time. So we have to remove earlier freezed panes on row 4. Add new row. For example, we can't freeze both first and fifth row. But we can freeze both columns and rows together. To remove any freezing, just go to View, click Freeze Panes, and choose Unfreeze Panes. To freeze the first column, go back to View, click Freeze Panes, and select Freeze First Column. Now when you scroll to the right, the first column stays in place. Again, to remove any freezing, just go to View, click Freeze Panes, and choose Unfreeze Panes. Want to freeze both rows and columns? Click on the cell below the row you want to freeze, and to the right of the column you want to freeze. Then choose Freeze Panes from the menu. For example, click on cell C5 to freeze the top row and first column together. And that's it. A quick and easy way to keep your headers visible while working in Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Do for more smart Excel tips.